Hey guys, Rover Dude here, and I'm going to give you an update as to what I've done on the Freelander till right now. As you can see, I have both heads in, and all I need to do now is, well, at this point, is torque the heads. There's approximately 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts on there I have to torque, and also the smaller bolts which hold this piece of the head that I'm pointing to the bottom piece. I have to torque those in, and after I do that, then I have to put the valve covers on with their perspective gaskets and torque them up too. I have not set the belt yet. You can see here where it's not attached. I do have that clamping kit here to hold the camshafts in place. I have one on this one and one on the one back here. This one back here. Give you a closer look at it. And it's that one right there. It looks sort of like a wrench. I am going to recheck the thermostats and make sure that those gaskets are in place properly. There's a gasket that goes under this guy right here, a plastic gasket at this tube, and then there's another plastic O-ring type thing. It's on this side of the tube. Yep, almost there. So got a little bit more to do. I know I mentioned it before, but there's a timing mark, and I'm going to see if I can lower the phone down to the point to where you guys can see it. And it is right there. That timing mark right there is never going to be perfect. It's always going to be off about maybe I'd say 1/8 of an inch. You can see where there's an indentation, and next to it is like a little pointer. When you put the pin in the back in the flywheel, it's going to move to that point. That is perfect right there. You're all set. Now the next thing I have to do is place the belts around the engine and around these timing gears and make sure they don't move. And then what you're going to use to judge that they're placed properly is this wrench piece right here. You're going to put it on this side once you have that belt on, and then you're also going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so that way you'll have it all set. So basically that's the step that I've gotten to so far. So what I'll do is on my next video, I'll go into the setting of the timing belt and also the torquing of the head bolts. Okay, so for now, Rover Dude out.